recording?
बोलो बोलो पेप्सी तुम्हारी बहन सेक्सी
Close your eyes. Inhale delusion.
and breathe out the bare minimum. Happy Galentine's! Keep your standards high.
And your bakchodi even higher.
Hi girlies, if you're single, taken, confused, in a situationship, or somebody else thinks that they're in a relationship with you, or you might be accidentally leading somebody on, you, my sister, are listening to the right freaking podcast.
So grab some wine, some snacks, and don't forget your bestie because this is the kind of stuff that girls say after the boys leave. So I'm Gauri
I'm Arzu,
and this is
behind the glass for you.
And today it's Galentine's, so no men were harmed.
But
Some egos might.
हाँ फिर चलो खैर है, कोई बात नहीं.
So we're gonna talk relationships, delusional
Situationships.
and a lot of other stuff that don't probably let you sleep. So this is how girls really talk. Finish the sentence, no thinking, just say whatever the fuck comes in your mind.
सिर्फ बकवास ही निकलेगी.
Yeah.
Okay, let's
Let's
go.
do it.
All right, so Gauri, I stayed longer than I should have because
Because I wasn't just ready to cry yet and go in the depressed trauma zone, you know?
yeah.
So eventually I got there, but just hold on a little longer till you get
देखते हैं आगे क्या होगा.
there. My mascara is still not ready to cry, ready to come
Mascara
down.
probably is ज़्यादा expensive.
ज़्यादा expensive, yeah.
लड़कों को तो सेफोरा की मस्कारा की प्राइस पता भी नहीं होती है कि कितना महंगा है यार.
Ooh,
A girl already invests so much before going on a date. Then the guy actually pays on the date. मतलब उसके जूते, कपड़े,
and some
makeup.
guys don't even do that. If you
हाँ.
think about it,
Yeah.
right?
नहीं. No 50-50. I don't do 50-50.
Ooh, okay. I knew he was a red flag
When he puts his phone upside down. कभी देखा है लड़का phone ऐसे रखता है, ऐसे. ठीक है? ऐसे और ऐसे प्रोटेक्ट करता है जैसे कोई हैवी आर्मी वाला ना वेपन प्रोटेक्ट कर रहा हो कि मतलब सेफ्टी बस इसी बंदे के हाथ में. सारे सीक्रेट्स जो उसके अंदर होते हैं कहीं बैंड ना बज जाए ना इसलिए. अच्छा गौरी. If he can't plan a date, he also can't.
Cannot definitely plan a future. No date, no future. Sorry. I mean, come on, yeah, that's the bare minimum. At least at the beginning, you need to know how to plan a date, spoil a girl. Then eventually, I mean, I know you'll plan a good future, right?
Yeah. Makes sense.
I mean, if you can't plan a date, तो क्या ही plan कर लोगे life में?
कुछ भी नहीं.
Messy as fuck, messy AF.
तुम्हारी जिंदगी बर्बाद करेगा साथ में.
A red flag is.
सॉरी 1 मिनट लग रहा था बंदा स्कैन हो रहा था बट red is the color of romance.
Oh my god, fuck you, bitch. No.
Red carpet यार मतलब red flag is a red flag.
is
चलते
blood
फिरते
also, you know that?
हाँ चलते फिरते बहुत सारे red flags हैं. मैं तो सबसे बड़ी red carpet.
Yeah, लग रही है आज red flag.
पिंकी है
All
पैसे वालों की. सस्ता गाना जरूर बीच में ऐड करना है ना मुझे. You're surrounded by cool people, Gauri. Acha Gauri, my friends know I'm lying when I say
I did not have FOMO when you guys went out alone. They know मैं मर रही हूँ.
फिर भी invitation चाहिए ना formally.
Yeah, but like whatever happens, I am that person who will die in FOMO. I'm like, yaar, you know what? Okay, fine. I acted cool, like मुझे नहीं आना है, whatever. But I'm just dying from inside. How can you guys have so much fun without me? You cannot leave me and go. You know?
सच्ची बोल अंदर से तू शुक्र कर रही होती है. Thank God.
Yeah, I love my friends here. I love going to any outings with them. You know.
झूठ बोल रही है ये बोलती है अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आज मैं सुकून से अपनी टूई ऊपर करके सोऊंगी.
Say that, but like.
Not right now. I still want to party.
that,
I'm a
like-
Barbie, but I still want to
In
party.
a nice zone with nice friends. The most delusional thing I've ever heard is.
बहुत लंबी लिस्ट है. I'm never gonna leave you.
At least I came back home to you.
Yeah, you're the first girl I'm taking to meet my mother at home.
Oh my god, but वापस तो तुम्हारे पास ही आया ना.
हाँ बस यार ये लंबी छोड़ियां लड़कों की. Okay, the fastest way to get rid of a guy is
Oh my God! Just tell him you were a guy before. Like, you he'll run.
आजकल के
straight out of the door.
आजकल के लड़के बोलेंगे यम
Yeah, no, I really think.
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
think people have accepted the concept of transgenders yet.
yet
A lot of
I think it's
people-
very
I mean, though it's a girl now completely, but उनके mind में वही होता है कि पहले ही लड़का थे, you know. I don't know. I just
there was an Indian movie on it as
there
well,
are
right?
so many.
Yeah.
You know, people are trying to change the norms, but कितना change होगा वो time will tell. My
Yeah, it's very common these days. You would never know who surprises you
Yeah, but
and
it's
who
also
comes
sad,
out of closet
right?
at one time. At what time?
I have an open walk-in closet, so I'm like an open book
Open
or
book.
shelf or whatever.
Oh, that makes a lot of sense. जिसके closets बंद है और जिसके closet open है.
हाँ, तो तुम्हें closet में घुस चुकी है. So you know
बिल्कुल अच्छे
exactly
से
what's
right
going on.
left अंदर नाच के निकली हूँ.
What is the pettiest thing I've done in the name of love?
I've actually lowered my standards for a guy who used to take longer to get ready than I did. मतलब पूरा दूल्हा तैयार हो रहा था. मतलब हर बार when we used to go out, he would take longer than I did.
But that's good, no? He wants to look good for you.
नहीं गौरी नाखून चल रहे हैं उसके अच्छे से पेडिक्योर मैनिक्योर क्या पहनेगा चेस्ट के बाल
Maybe
उड़
he
रहे
used to be a
हैं
girl before.
वो क्या पता you don't know anyways क्या पता उसका walk in closet तो नहीं था यार definitely
Closet
उसका
बंद
closet
था.
बंद था
Locked.
हाँ अभी वो बाहर नहीं आया आएगा okay I thought it was love but it was really
Boredom, or just loneliness, or just competition. That, you know, my friend has a boyfriend, so I also want to be like. I mean, you know, when we are younger, we used to do that, right? When your friend gets a nice boyfriend, you're like, I've also found this guy, I really love him. And then after a while, you're just like, but come on, love this.
I think we all have done that when
You
we
know,
were
that's
younger
fair. हाँ, probably
सोच समझ के नहीं
school or
बस लड़का
college.
cool लग रहा है तो बस
Yeah,
relationship
you
में
just
चले
need
गए
the idea of love around you.
हाँ.
Yeah, you understand love after a really long time.
We
So,
think
really-
now at our age, you know,
Yeah, now we
late
understand
20s and early 30s, we understand. लेकिन अभी भी सही से हमें समझ नहीं आई है. अब थोड़े mid 30s में जाएंगे, फिर late 40s
मुझे
में
आ
जाएंगे.
गई है,
आ गई हैं आपको?
अभी आने वाली है.
मुझे आ रही है रास्ते
आ रही
में.
है, it's on the way.
बहुत 0.5
बहुत traffic है.
0.5 की स्पीड में आ रही है लेकिन आ रही है.
Yeah, but I think, you know, love अपने time पे ही समझते हो. You can't just learn it at the age of probably 17, 18. That's just stupid to say that, you know, I'm 17 and I'm in love with this guy. You don't even understand the meaning of puberty.
Yeah.
I mean, अभी तो you've just, you know, understood hormones. How can you understand love, right?
कितनी बार इंसान को प्यार होता है जिंदगी में?
Babe, honestly, जब तक right person नहीं मिले तब तक हो ही सकता है.
प्यार होता ही रहता है हाँ डेली प्यार होता है चलते
पर
फिरते
वहाँ
बस
से-
में
but
प्यार
कुछ
हो
लोगों को
जाता है
तभी भी होता है जब right person मिल जाता
मिल जाता है तब भी हो जाता है
Red flag. Okay. The excuse I regret believing is.
I'm just chatting with this girl because I'm trying to hook my friend up. मतलब तुम अपने दोस्त का हुकअप कराने की पैचअप कराने की कोशिश कर रहे हो भाई के खुद हाथ नहीं है भाई बिल्कुल लूला लंगा टूंडा है वहाँ लेटा हुआ है लेकिन मैं भाई की मदद कर रहा हूँ बच्ची सेट करने में ये सबसे बड़ा लाई मैंने सुना है और पूरी फुल ऑन फ्लर्टिंग चल रही है you know you can sense it you know there's something going on and women have this like internal instinct that you know what's happening you just need proof तो फिर हम लोग उस तह तक जाते हैं और जब तक हमें ना प्रूफ नहीं मिलता तब तक वी आर लाइक बिहाइंड हिज एस
इट्स लाइक यू नो होता है ना ए ग्रेड थोड़ी ना पहले कौन आया उससे मिलता है ए ग्रेड तो मेरिट पे मिलता है ना सो ही विल आल्सो ट्राई ही इज आल्सो ट्राइंग
या सब ट्राई करेंगे जिस भाई का लक लग गया पॉट लक okay Gauri another one for you I knew I was delusional when I
defended every person in my life like a lawyer. Like I had no clue what is nice and what is right and what is wrong.
charity cases दे रही हो
Defend करना शुरू हो जाओ नहीं this is right ये उसने किया है सही है and then after 1 year and you know the other friend comes at me when the friend fucks me over and I'm like shit okay it was just delusion it was
फिर भी अभी तक सबक नहीं सीखा
I'm just getting there you have to see I've become
have you started taking money now for charity cases or still doing
should,
charity
right?
cases yeah you
I've
should
done
start
so much charity like Radho would have given it to like hungry children or like
हाँ
you know,
वैसे
which
गौरी
I do.
अच्छी तो तुम हो काफी like
हाँ,
personally I know you
बुरी
you
बनने का
are
वक्त आ गया, ऐसा लग रहा है। I'm that
नहीं अच्छी तुम अच्छी हो यार लोग बुरे हैं खैर है कोई नहीं
करे।
क्या
Okay.
करें
Okay, a girl's glow up starts when
जब वो एक लड़के को she stops seeing as the Shah Rukh Khan in her head that she has created and starts seeing for the fucking ugly looking rat that he is. उस दिन लड़की का असल ग्लो अप शुरू होता है जब उसको अपनी अहमियत और अपनी वैल्यू का पता चल जाता है.
I heard you, babe. I heard you.
You heard me,
I'm
yeah?
with you on that.
And it's seen by the people also. Like after a breakup, you would just notice two people who have broken up. What the girl is doing, what the guy is doing. In this case, the guy can be right and the girl can be wrong, or the girl can be right and the guy can be wrong. Maybe both of them are right, maybe both of them are wrong. Either ways, you see how it affects people after breakup. And
You
that's their
perceive
truest
the person
potential.
So differently,
Yeah,
right?
that's
like
their
when
truest
you were in
potential.
love, you used to see the person so differently, and when you've
Yeah.
broken up, you're like, I liked this about him, and
Yeah.
then you're just like, oh,
All right, Gauri. The most attractive thing about a woman is
her confidence and her no tolerance for bullshit attitude. I think that's just amazing, you know. Like when you know your worth, you just know that fuck everybody, you know. I'm not gonna settle for less. I'm not gonna, you know. You can judge me, but I know what I'm doing is right as per me. So tumhare liye, whatever, if it's wrong or right, it's just my confidence that does not let me believe that I am wrong. I think
how do you differentiate between these women?
you know, like confidence really comes out naturally, you know, like a person will tell you, they'll not try to force their opinion on you, but they just feel, you know, they say it with such integrity, whatever they're doing, you know, I believe in this because of this, and they're just like, okay, and you're like, okay, you know, that
So
makes
what you are
sense.
saying is they will
Yeah.
disagree with you, but with respect.
With respect, they
Yeah.
put their opinion, and that's a true woman, I feel, you know.
Wow.
She doesn't try to force it.
Grape.
Yeah, na?
ये
Like,
नेशन
feminine
बहुत आगे
power.
जाएगा.
और
एक जोक आया. एक डॉक्टर क्या लिखता है प्रिस्क्रिप्शन पे जो फार्मासिस्ट को ही समझ आती है?
पेशेंट को गाली.
नहीं, वो लिखता है कि मैंने साले को लूट लिया, अब तेरी बारी है.
Oh my
हाँ,
God,
और ये
yes.
इसीलिए डॉक्टर की हैंडराइटिंग से फार्मासिस्ट को समझ आती है. हाँ,
यार.
साले को लूट, कंगाल करके यहाँ से भेजना.
Okay, Arzu. If he calls all his exes crazy, he is
He is the motherfucking crazy psycho
Mad
bitch.
crazy. He's the definition of crazy.
Yeah, that says a lot about him. Okay, Gauri. High maintenance girls are actually just
Women with low tolerance.
okay.
Yeah, I mean, you just can't tolerate.
Please elaborate. 10 marks question.
Yeah, like you can't tolerate anything that's not normal to you. I mean, like what's normal to you is you gotta normalize that. Basically, you gotta make the other person understand that ye normal hai. This is normal. You know, I'm just like this. So I think it's just low tolerance for bullshit, low tolerance for anything inappropriate, disrespectful behavior. Yeah, I think high maintenance doesn't mean you're like, you know, you gotta wake up with like a fucking golden mask and like, you know, you shower with I don't
Gold.
know, milk water or something. That's
Do you think there's a difference between high value women and high maintenance women?
I think more or less it's pretty much the same. It's the same boat. It's like a small boat and speed boat. You know, it's like that.
Kashti
Yeah,
ting,
but
ting,
it's the
ting.
way, I mean, high maintenance, high value यही है. It just depends. High maintenance मतलब तुम अपनी value कहाँ तक hold करते हो, what you think your value is. Like for us, we think, you know, it's normal. When we go out, we deserve to be treated in a certain way, right?
Yeah.
And if another person thinks, yeah, नहीं मेरे लिए तो ठीक है, movie एक दिन दिखा दिया, नहीं दिखाया. So it all depends. It's the same boat, as I said.
क्या बात है, आप और आपकी खूबसूरत बोट.
Big boat.
मेरे को भी अंदर लो.
Okay, Arzu. A girl who says, I don't get along with other girls is...
It's a dude in disguise. A rat in heels. I say chip 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 chip
Oh my
chip
God,
chip
yeah.
chip chip
How
chip.
can you not get along with other
Yeah.
girls? I mean, तुम्हारे type की कोई तो लड़की होगी who you can get along with.
ये
right?
लौंडा निकला. मुबारक हो, आपके यहाँ चूहा पैदा हुआ.
Uncensored stuff, but I hope it doesn't get us in a lot of
Yeah,
trouble.
because we
Just a little
listen
bit
and we don't.
judge, and I'm that way.
No. We listen and we judge. ध्यान से बात करना हमसे.
Okay, guys. So, if your friends don't know your embarrassing stories, are they really your friends? So this Valentine's Day, let's dig in deep and dirty and find out your friends' secrets.
Yeah, let's get scandalous.
Yeah, we'll start with you, bitch.
लो मुझे ट्रक के नीचे. हाँ.
Yes. Okay. Did you ever kiss a guy even though your mouth literally stank from food?
कैंसिल करवाओ इसको
What the
शो
fuck?
से. 400 dirham इसके काटो ओवर एक्टिंग के से. Well, to be honest, yes. And would you like to know कौन सा खाना खा रहे
I
थे
am
हम?
unfriending you right now. कहाँ क्या रही थी कमीनी?
लफा का शवरमा
Oh my
गार्लिक
God.
वाला. क्या हो गया यार? It's natural.
Oh.
If you love the person, yeah.
Yeah, did he have a problem with it or was he fine? He was like, yummy.
उसने बोला ये वाला सॉस अलग है.
Oh my God.
अच्छा गौरी सबर सबर कर तेरी बीमारी आ रही है. Okay. Have you ever farted during sex and had to play it cool?
What the fuck? Not yet, to be honest.
अच्छा अच्छा इरादा है करने का.
But I have thought about it. कभी ऐसा हो तो I'll just be like, ये mattress से क्या आवाज आ रही है? What is wrong with the mattress?
ये कैसी आवाज आई? He is you.
AC खराब हो गया है. I cannot be the person to just be cool and admit it. I'll just be like,
अगले बंदे लड़के को blame कर देना.
रूम में कोई है, कोई तो रूम में है. Arzu, have you ever pretended to be asleep to avoid a hookup?
No, but I have definitely pretended to be a lesbian to get out of situations. I've also pretended कि मेरे दो बच्चे घर पे वेट कर रहे हैं और मेरा बहुत अच्छा loyal पति परमेश्वर.
And you're the
That's how you say
disloyal
it.
one,
हाँ,
right?
husband घर पे इंतजार कर रहा है मेरा. Please don't touch me. Stay away from me.
Oh my God.
Don't touch me.
आंसू निकल रहे हैं
है
मेरे.
ना बहुत ही कुछ सैंटी हो. और एक बार तो मैं डॉक्टर भी थी.
डॉक्टर
या मैं पूरे 2 घंटे के लिए मैं डॉक्टर थी और मैं बहुत परेशान थी क्योंकि मेरे पेशेंट्स मरने वाले थे. सो आई गॉट माई सेल्फ आउट ऑफ दैट सिचुएशन ऑल्सो. कभी मैं लॉयर हूँ कभी मैं डॉक्टर हूँ. डिपेंड करता है कौन पूछ रहा है. सब चीज का इलाज है मेरे पास. अच्छा गौरी, हैव यू एवर रिसीव्ड अ गिफ्ट एंड देन री-गिफ्टेड इट? सच बोली.
Oh my God. Can I just admit it कि मैं भी बहुत करती हूँ ये. But I
देख लो
make
गाइस
sure.
तुम लोग की मेहनत का
Guys,
नतीजा.
no. Sometimes you receive, two of the same gifts. Like, I receive a lot of gifts. People love me a lot.
Oh.
So थोड़ा show off कर लेती हूँ. But when I give it back, I just do it more nicely. Like I make a hamper and one gift is that and one I buy and one I give a handwritten note. So I feel a little less guilty,
Yeah, 200
So
dirham
remember
का
the
गिफ्ट
one-
2000 का लगने शुरू हो जाता है.
Yeah.
पैकेजिंग एड ऑन जो हो जाता है.
याद है जो लास्ट टाइम मैंने तुझे दिया था उसमें 3-4 चीजें साथ.
तेरे को याद है जो पिछले हफ्ते में तेरे लिए एक बड़ा सा डब्बा लेके आई थी वो रिसाइकल
Fuck
किया.
you. Okay. Have you ever sent a risky text to the wrong person? I am a witness, guys. I am a
All
witness.
right, let me just tell you one thing. I am a really bad liar. And on top of that, मतलब एक तो होता है ना प्रूफ सेंड करना, शेयर करना, झूठ शेयर करना, वो तो बिल्कुल होता ही नहीं है. लोग झूठ बोल लेते हैं, मैं सेंड भी नहीं कर पाती हूँ. अक्सर मैं ऐसे करती हूँ जिस बंदे की स्क्रीनशॉट ली होती है उसी को ही भेज देती हूँ जिसको नहीं भेजनी होती है. And even the other person's like, the fuck, are you dumb? And I just laugh about it. I
And you
just go
can't
like,
even delete it, right?
हाँ.
Because they already know it. So you
हाँ,
look
देखिए,
more dumb
अब
if you
बिस हो
delete it.
चुकी है अगर
Yeah.
आपकी तब हंस लो. अपने आप पे ही हंस लो इससे पहले लोग आप पे हंसे. तो I do this all the time.
I
Yeah.
think we need to just make an extra effort to not do this
Yeah.
again.
Gauri, have you ever laughed at a guy's joke that wasn't funny, but you did anyways because he was cute?
I've laughed louder than the joke. Like it was a two-word joke and my laugh was like 2 sentences.
Haven't we all?
Yeah, but you feel bad sometimes. Even if it's your nice friends or somebody and they go like, what? मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ and they're so excited and you're just like,
गंदी फेक हंसी मारनी
मतलब
पड़ती है.
I make a whole Netflix comedy out of it. Oh, so cool. Wow.
Yeah, man, कितनी cool है आप.
Yeah, and then there's just like wondering.
सबके-
Have you ever said the wrong name and immediately knew you fucked up? Ouch.
In my defense, there's no defense. Yeah,
There is no
There's
defense.
no defense.
Court
Honestly,
is
that is such a
adjourned.
shit thing to do. But yeah, बड़ी embarrassing situation थी. And then a person And then you cannot even deny, you cannot get yourself out of it. Like, you know, you fucked up right there and
What
then.
do you do? Like, you just gotta make it up. Like,
You
make it up to
just-
me. No, I'll take you out for the rest of the week. I'll do this for you. I'll become your maid. I'll become your this.
I think अगर लड़के को फर्क नहीं पड़ता तो then he'll be okay with like
But
me
would-
taking him out or like doing all this. लेकिन अगर फर्क पड़ता है तो he would not even stick there or
But
stand
would
there
you
for like a
forgive a
second.
guy if he does that to you?
No, I wouldn't.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right. That
Double
would be
standards हैं मेरे.
that would be like a
Yeah.
big no-no.
Gauri, so have you ever pretended you were bad at something just मतलब दोस्त का दिल रखने के लिए, just to make them feel happy?
Oh yes, I've done it a couple times. You know, I just feel sometimes friends are not at the same phase of life as you are. You know, they're still getting there, and maybe you've already achieved that. You've already reached there. So then it just, you know, you feel bad. Like you don't want to share everything, but you do want to share something because it's your friend also. So then I mean, you know, you just kind of put yourself a little down and be like, you know, मेरा भी हाँ ऐसे ही चल रहा है, okay है, like not so good. Because I know that she's going through something which, you know, she will not understand where I am right now. She might not be happy for me because she can't understand it. So yeah,
Yeah.
I've done it.
Do you think
I'm
that's
just
the
a good
right thing to
friend.
do?
I don't know if it's right or wrong, but it's just to keep the other person's heart, you know.
But depend भी
sometimes-
करता है ना, if this person is
Yeah.
like a close friend to you or if it's just like
it's
an
only with the
acquaintance.
close friends. Acquaintance से
Yeah.
तो मैं उधर तक पहुंचू ही नहीं जहाँ तक ये बातें आ
Hmm.
जाए, you know.
Yeah.
And then yeah.
One arm distance रखें.
Yeah, I just feel like, you know, it's friendship में sometimes it's not about right or wrong. It's just about good and bad.
Yeah. Hi, Deva re Deva.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay. Arzu, have you ever warned a friend about a guy and watched her ignore the fuck out of you?
यार ये मेरे साथ ना बचपन में बहुत होता था. And there was a really close friend of mine. I can't take names obviously, but I know you're watching this. So I'm the one who introduced them together. और फिर क्या हुआ कि I see the guy outside somewhere talking to some other girls and while they're in a relationship and not just talking, more than that. हाँ, रेड कारपेट बहन, okay? एक लड़की नहीं थी, लड़कियाँ थी, okay? So I went and I confronted him right there and then, and I was like, what the hell are you doing? I'm gonna go and tell my friend, right? And then he's like, no, you don't have to, la la la, all of that. Anyways, being a girl's girl, I went and I told her कि देखो बहन, ऐसे ऐसे I saw your बंदा and he was doing this, that. Guess what, guys? अगले 2 घंटे में मैं ब्लॉक थी.
Ouch!
वो लोग साथ में हो गए and the guy made the girl block me.
You know, I've also been through something like that. It's really sad. I just feel like some guys are also
Yeah.
so dominating now that the girl is like, she just goes under his shadow.
Yeah.
She becomes his shadow.
वो बोलते हैं ना, in love you're blind. You actually become blind because you're not seeing the situation from an
Yes.
zoomed out version. You know, like a
Exactly.
third person perspective.
Yeah. Maybe she's not even a bad person.
Yeah,
but it's just she's.
और
so
पता है क्या मजे की बात है,
dominated.
right after 3 years or something and she kept on contacting me like Eid पे, happy birthday, ये वो ला ला ला,
She feels bad.
and then we connected back and now वो लड़का मैं और ये लड़की we are like good friends now back.
Oh really?
Yeah, माशाल्लाह
Oh my
they're
God.
married and 2 kids और मैं सीमा आंटी हूँ जो लोगों के hookups और शादियाँ करवाती हूँ, so please
अपनी भी करा ले.
subscribe, like. अपना time आएगा.
अपना भी टाइम आएगा.
So overall मैंने ये सीखा है कि पहले मैं ऐसी थी. अब when I see somebody doing some shit, I just go like none of my business. Because people in love or people in relationship, it's really hard for them to accept कि यार मेरी बंदी या मेरा बंदा is capable of doing this. तो कभी-कभी let the nature take its course.
Yeah,
Could be
eventually.
a person who's wrong eventually मुड़ फिर के karma sharma आके it will come और आपकी ना दस्तक पे आके बैठ
The
जाएगा.
truth always comes out, no matter how
Yeah.
hard you try to hide it.
Yeah.
I
और अगर
believe in
मेरे
that.
मुंह से आएगा तो फिर I'll become like the villain, I'll become like the bad person. So it's better
Yeah.
कि
I
खुद ही हो,
agree with
खुद ही
that.
देखो.
Sometimes, yeah, you don't need to be so truthful also, you
Yeah.
know, let people handle their own shit and you just take a step
And
back.
that's the thing, Gauri, people cannot handle the truth. They are not
Yeah.
ready to accept it. अभी देखो वो खुद भी अगर बंदे को या बंदी को पकड़ेगा बंदा, उसको भी truth accept करने में थोड़ा time लगेगा and then be like, oh shit, fuck, ये मेरे साथ हो गया है. And then
Yeah.
थोड़ी देर बैठेंगे, रोए धोएंगे, ये वो पिटे पुटने के बाद फिर जी अपने दोस्तों के पास जाएंगे. In the end, गोल घुमा के circle back to friends. You understand? लेकिन यही दोस्त अगर उठ के आपको पहले ही आके बता देगा कि यार oh I saw your partner doing this and that, they will never believe and they'll be like oh
Yeah.
because now they're embarrassed.
Yeah.
But then up
and
when
they feel you have
हाँ.
like a, you know, separate intention to break up the
Yeah.
relationship because she's single.
Possible, I don't know what's going on in their head. So yeah, sometimes let God do the thing.
Let nature take its course.
Yes.
Okay, I think that was so nice and I found out so many embarrassing things about you.
Gauri, have you ever given a girl, a girlfriend, feedback on her guy, but it backfired?
Oh.
Or have you ever introduced somebody and then it backfired?
You really want me to answer that? huh?
आपका नमूना सामने बैठा है. Okay.
Oh my god. I think it's backfired, yes, because as you said, people are not ready to listen to the truth, or maybe you don't like your friend's boyfriend, or if it's your really close friend or like your best friend, she might take your advice, but she'll also give it her own time because सबके experiences अलग होते हैं. Like you might not like my guy, but I know that he loves me. So I'm okay with whatever you don't like about him. So I don't want to be that strong personality like your mother and coming in like कि beta I don't like him, he's not this, he's not that, because you know why he's good for you.
Yeah.
But if he's doing some fucked up shit, then of course but
Yeah, you
it's
gotta
backfired
take
a
a
lot. Like when a girl is fighting with her boyfriend, she'll come to me. Like I've had instances, they'll be like, I'm gonna do a police case, I'm gonna do this, that, and then you're like, yeah, you know what, if he did this to you, you should.
Yeah.
And then she's like,
Itne
yeah, I'm just
extreme
gonna go
cases,
home.
Gauri?
Yeah, I'm just gonna go home and get my stuff, and I'm just gonna come back here, and then
You
she
need to
goes
tell me the
home.
story after the podcast.
I will. Oh, you'll be shocked. And then she'll go home and she'll never show up, and the next thing
No
you know,
way.
both these people have just, I think, not blocked me, but at that time just stopped talking to me and stuff like that. I'm like, how did I become the villain? Tu ro ke aaye mere paas. You were sad. You came to me. I gave you a shoulder. I gave you few advices, few words of truth, some love, and then I said what you wanted to hear basically. And then you just become the villain in their story.
Yeah.
Pinky villain.
This is exactly you need to follow
Yeah.
what you need to follow in order to become a
Choose
villain.
your words right. Give your advice. Also, it matters. Your advice is not like a free charity. Like
हर किसी को
like
बांट
bird
रहे हो.
food. के सबको देते फिरो. Just take your time. See who's ready to listen, and then golden words of advice. Let them pour out.
Energy सही जगह पे invest करनी चाहिए.
Invest करनी
Absolutely
चाहिए.
right, Gauri.
Yes. Okay, Arzu. What is some weird shit you have done in the name of love? I really want to know this.
इस रूम में सब लोगों को पता है, but चलो फिर भी मैं viewers को बता देती हूँ. I have once paid 200 dirhams to my friend, a girlfriend, to make biryani for the guy who I had a crush on because उसको खाना बहुत पसंद था, बिरयानी बहुत पसंद थी, और मुझे जिसको खाना नहीं बनाने आता, तो मैं वहाँ सारा दिन बैठी रही हूँ, अपने दोस्त को ट्रांसफ़र करते ग्रोसरी ला के रखी, एक्स्ट्रा 200 दिरहम दिए कि खाना बिरयानी लेकर. और फिर जब हम लोग इफ्तार पे गए and he had biryani and everything and he was like, wow Arzu, क्या स्वाद है तुम्हारे हाथ का.
But why didn't you just order it from the restaurant? अपनी friend से क्यों मदद करवाई?
नहीं ना यार, फिर वो फेक लगता है. I wanted
Yeah,
like
you wanted
घर
घर
की,
की
हाँ,
बिरयानी.
घर की. वो उसने पूरी देख बनाई थी यार, and I took it, और पूरी इफ्तार में सबको खिलाई थी. Everybody was like, wow Arzu, wow.
Wow.
अगर वो लोग आज ये देख रहे होंगे, खैर अभी तो उसकी शादी हो गई है. But yeah, this is some fuck up I've done. And एक बार मैंने बैठ के रॉक बैंड म्यूजिक के ना पूरे घर पे लिरिक्स याद किए पहले, because the guy I like, he used to listen to like rock music. और फिर मैं घर गई, पूरे लिरिक्स याद किए, गाड़ी में बैठी, and I'm like और पूरी लिरिक्स बोल रही हूँ, and then I pretended like हाँ ये तो मैं daily
I'm a rock chick.
Yeah, I'm a rock chick. ये तो दाएं हाथ का खेल है, सारे लिरिक्स मुझे. और फिर मुझे बोलता है मुझे भी इसके लिरिक्स नहीं पता. तुम्हें कैसे पता? मैंने कहा मैं थोड़ी हार्डकोर फैन.
I'm like, yeah, you're getting there, you're getting.
Yeah, rock and roll baby. फिर वो रोल ही हो गया यार.
Oh, you rocked him
Or
away.
I rocked.
Nice. I like that.
ऐसे कारनामे मैंने बहुत किए हुए हैं. Yeah, funny stories.
Lovely. I love spilling this kind of gloss. I think every girlfriend should spill a lot of this stuff with each other.
Yes, absolutely.
Maybe with a little coffee or a little wine or something, right?
Yes. All right, this segment is gloss, or gross. Okay, very simple, quick, random questions. Ready?
Just anything that comes to your mind.
Yes.
Right? Like no thoughts.
Ziri zip. Following your ex after saying you're over them.
Gross. You chose gross as well. Great.
Hyping a friend when she's wrong. Depend करता है.
Yeah.
कि ड्रामा किस टाइप का चल रहा है.
I don't know what the fuck mistake she has made, but मेरी दोस्त सही है.
हाँ.
Fuck everybody else.
Yeah, depend करता है. कभी कभी harsh truth भी चलता है. WhatsApp scene is hidden. किधर है?
Gross.
A lot of things are hidden also then.
Yeah. What's that?
Men who feel threatened by your success.
Oh, really?
ये double
nice.
ulti.
Double ulti.
Double ulti.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Mhm.
Cheers wali ulti.
Yeah.
Okay, dating someone who earns less than you. Nahin.
That's okay. I mean, end of the day, you grow with a person, right?
Yeah, that is fine, but I don't want the guy to be doing the same job as me. I would
You
also
wanna look up
want,
to him.
Yeah, I want
Yeah,
to look
that's
up to
also
him in all aspects, not just monetary, but like
Yes.
emotional intelligence, all sorts. So yeah.
Yeah, maybe if it's a moment, but you gotta make him grow also. Like,
Yeah, of
you gotta
course,
help
of
him
course.
grow, yeah.
We're
Potential,
partners.
potential, yes.
हाँ, potential पे रहेंगे तो गौरी फिर यहीं बैठे रहेंगे, ठीक है?
Okay.
Okay.
DMing first.
No, never.
Sorry.
मर
Not my
जाऊंगी
cup of
लेकिन
tea.
slide and DM नहीं करूंगी कभी.
Cannot, baby. Liking bikini pics while he's talking to you.
Into 100. ये लो. Duck.
Sharing location with a situationship.
I don't mind sharing. I'm a very easygoing
I
person.
mean, I'm a millennial. Like, I don't
Yeah.
understand what is a situationship still.
Yeah.
Just
I don't mind, yeah.
Okay. A man who calls himself an alpha.
वही अल्फा नहीं है.
I would say, yeah, because even a girl can call herself an alpha. तो कोई बुरी बात नहीं है. We can both call ourselves an alpha.
I think जो अल्फा होता है ना उनको कहने
बोलने
की
की
जरूरत
जरूरत
नहीं
नहीं
है.
होती, right?
It shows in their action.
हाँ.
हाँ.
Okay.
सही है.
Fair.
Okay, I'll
Yeah.
ask. Blocking someone and then unblocking them later.
1, 2, 3. Gross! What the fuck? No! Are you serious?
Yeah, I mean,
When you're angry, you block and then you
I only block people who actually matter to me, and the people who don't matter, I just leave them unblocked. क्या फर्क पड़ता है? तुसी हो, तुसी नहीं हो.
Don't you think exactly उल्टा होना चाहिए इसका?
नहीं, for me it works the other way around.
I have been blocked, but I have
हाँ.
never
If I've
blocked.
left you unblocked, you don't matter. If
Yeah.
I've blocked you, you really.
I sometimes block and forget. I mean, I just forget कि ये blocked है.
वो कभी-कभी जाके जेल से लोगों को नहीं निकालती.
हाँ.
घर से just में. Splitting the bill on the first date.
Gross.
Gross.
Fuck.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
Sorry, but I mean, I know we are all independent, but this is just about a little, care and compassion.
Yeah.
As we said, women do a lot of things. That's a little too much. Second date पे ठीक है, but not the first.
Yeah. A guy who says, I don't use my phone much.
I would like him, honestly.
डिपेंड करता है how
Actually, I
you
cannot-
see it. क्योंकि अगर वो आपके साथ फोन इस्तेमाल नहीं कर रहा तो घर जाके भी इस्तेमाल नहीं कर रहा, ऑफिस में भी नहीं कर रहा, तो
Isn't that
कहाँ कर रहा है वो फोन इस्तेमाल?
But that's like an old touch, otherwise some people are just like on the phones 24/7.
Yeah.
I mean, I get it, you have work on the phone, but if not,
अगर हाँ अच्छा
Scrolling,
उस तरीके से अगर तुम देख रही हो तो या
yeah,
डेफिनेटली.
It's
लेकिन
like
अगर
an old
फोन
school-
साइड पे और बिल्कुल ही 24 घंटे तक गायब
No,
है तो
no, that's irresponsibility. We don't like
Yes.
this. Let's just go with the flow.
आजकल मेरा ये चल रहा है. देखी जाएगी.
The best friendships or relationships come out of this, I feel.
Yeah.
Let's just go with the flow and see what happens.
Don't force it.
Yeah, don't force it. Just don't plan it. Don't you
Yeah.
agree?
I do agree, yes.
Okay, hold on. Zoom in, please. Staying friends with your ex.
खांसी क्यों की है इसने?
I mean, depends.
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 Okay.
I'll do both.
Okay, you
Depends
explain
on how
why.
bad your ex was, how bad the relationship was. I mean, if it was a normal thing like years and centuries ago, it can be okay. Maybe a guy who is a bad boyfriend can be a really good friend.
Yeah,
So eventually you outgrow your stupid relationships, and then you can just
I agree.
be both. Also,
हाँ,
it
सही
heals
बोला.
your heart. You don't hold on to that hate. Otherwise, you're just like no, never being friends with him and all that.
हाँ, but it also depends के, for example, if I'm in a relationship, I would, even though I'm on good terms with my ex, out of respect for my
Out of-
partner,
yeah.
I would never
Yeah.
be
Depends
in
on how
touch
much,
with
yeah.
my ex. But if I'm single and the ex is nice and there's like a platonic friendship going on, yeah, that's fine.
It depends how comfortable your
Yeah,
partner is.
yeah.
Also.
आप हर किसी के साथ comfortable भी नहीं हो सकते.
Cannot. Matching tattoos.
I personally wouldn't get, but they actually look hot.
Some
Yeah.
tattoo lovers. It's cute.
Yeah. Me, I'm indecisive.
Maybe we can get a matching tattoo. You and
I
me.
would. वो जो हफ्ते के लिए आते हैं.
Yeah, yeah.
हाँ.
You can tattoo Gauri and I'll also tattoo.
इधर करवाती हूँ मैं. Direct मेरे सीने पे.
Okay, go for it.
Soft launching a relationship.
Yes,
I mean, yeah,
I do.
it's
I do.
cute.
You cannot just go like a rocket.
Yeah.
थोड़ा धीरे-धीरे जाना पड़ता
Sorry,
है.
मेरा gross नीचे गिर गया. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's a perfect way to do it. ना everything can start with a bang.
हाँ, और आजकल तो ट्रस्ट इश्यूज हो गया, अब डायरेक्ट शादी की
Yeah.
फोटोज आएंगी.
Yeah, gotta
अब तो
keep
you
it
can't
under the
even post,
covers
yeah,
for a
you
bit
can't.
till you're
Nowadays you can't be sure. if it's
Imagine
happening
if
or
you
not.
just start posting, go all out, and then it turns out to be.
हाँ,
What are you gonna
ऐसा
do?
होता है काफी बार. Yeah.
Then you're fucked. You're embarrassed.
जब आपकी
you're-
बचपन से रिलेशनशिप चल रही हो, समझ आता है स्कूल के जमाने की, और
Yeah,
like
then
it's been
you should
years
go
and
all
years,
out.
तो फिर
Yeah.
हाँ, you go all out.
Yeah,
But अभी नया लौंडा मिला है, and then you
Yeah,
just go like,
just enjoy. Keep it to yourself. Okay, posting thirst traps. Sometimes it's fine. I mean, like, why not?
yeah. I mean, I'm a
Why
private
not?
person. Yeah,
Shut
I would
up.
never post. Yeah, thirst traps. Yeah, but
I mean,
That's personal
depending if you want
choice.
to make someone jealous or if you just feel like you want to be sexy today and you just go
say
out.
direct DM,
Just,
DM. Yeah, not gonna post it out on like, yeah. आपको खजाना close pack.
Onlyfans.com.
Onlyyou.com.
Oh my god.
Okay, last one. Oh no, Gauri has got one.
Just
Matching outfits with your girl. Oh,
Wow.
all the way.
Always,
All the way.
always. I always call my girlfriends and I'm like, you know what? Chalo na साथ में ये पहनते हैं.
Yeah.
Let's wear black. Let's wear whatever, pink,
आज क्या
blue,
पहन रहे
fucking
हैं?
yellow. But wear it with
But it
me.
looks so cute. Gang
Yeah.
आ रहा है.
Then
दोनों
you look
टमाटर
like
दिखते
you
हुए.
look
Oh.
like friends, right? You look
Yeah.
like you're from the
Same
crew.
gang.
Yeah. That was about it, and I hope you are also glossed and grossed
Yeah.
out with us.
Do answer these questions in your head.
Yes, please do that. I hope you answered them with us.
Okay, so this segment is our favorite segment, which is the mirror segment. So मैं शपथ लेती हूँ कि मैं सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं बोलूँगी.
Only the
शपथ लो.
truth.
आपने भी शपथ ले ली होगी अब. So this segment, we're only going to be talking about topics that girl only discuss or admit only to their girlfriends.
Unfiltered, only the truth.
And boys, you probably might have not heard this discussion. ये देखो.
Very nice.
किसी लड़के का भूत है यहाँ पे. Is there a ghost of some guy here who's listening to our talks? We're not pointing out at you, brother. Don't worry. आपका दिल यहाँ रख रहे हैं. इधर same. Oh, ये तो नहीं बुरा मान जाएगा कि जूती के पास रखा है तुम्हारे बना लो. We'll keep it here. इज्जत से यहाँ बीच में, okay?
Okay.
What do you think? Do girls talk about their sex life with the other girls?
Oh, I think it's more like a PowerPoint presentation we give with like pages, with like pictures, elaboration.
Detail
Sometimes
में.
we even go like act it out, I was like this and he was like that.
That हाँ, full discussion
mean,
होती है. Just to let you
that's
guys
good.
know कि मतलब लड़कियाँ they do discuss this.
Everything. We discuss that. I
Everything,
mean,
yeah.
like, we really do.
Yeah.
I hope all the girlfriends do that.
Yeah.
But
But there comes a
detail.
point in a girl's life when the relationship is now old news.
Yeah.
And,
when it's new, they do that.
Yeah,
When it's
new
exciting.
news, yeah, they discuss all the little
Yeah.
details, how you went down, what you did, what went down.
And that's what every girl wants to know. Was he
Yeah.
good? What did you
Full
do?
excitement,
Yeah.
popcorn मुंह में. अच्छा,
How
और
long
बताओ,
did you
what happened?
last? Okay.
Why do girls hype a guy to their friends and later think, why did I do that? I think they do that because they just want to like kind of sort of show off and tell their friends like,
Yeah.
oh, dekho, finally मुझे एक लड़का मिल गया है,
Yeah.
and then he's nice and everything. Then that guy cannot meet her expectations.
Yeah.
Because होता है ना, लड़का in the starting gives you his 100%.
Mm-hmm.
So after having you or after getting
I
married to
agree.
you or in the relationship, now he's gonna give you 50. So बहन जो शुरू में वो तुम्हें दे रहा है ना, that is his full potential.
I agree completely.
Because later it becomes less.
There's like a secret competition going on. Like if your
Yeah.
friend has a boyfriend, automatically, it's like a pressure, peer pressure, a little bit. Like, oh my God, even I want to date.
Yeah.
I also want to get married. I also want to do this.
Yeah.
Maybe also
and
that's
you
why.
do compare your guy with your friend's
Yeah,
guy.
it's like a healthy competition. It's not
Yeah.
always bad, You always want कि अच्छा चलो ये settle हो गई है तो मुझे भी कर लेना चाहिए. And then you just realize that my guy is fucked up, तो fucking इसको ही
हाँ.
करने दो.
इसी को ही करने दो.
मुझे भी adopt कर ले.
On to the next. We know within 2 weeks if he's the one. We just wait longer to confirm why.
We're just
But पहले
women,
2
yeah.
हफ्ते में पता चल जाता है गौरी
I
कि if
mean,
he's the one.
Yes, of course. We know that, the bubbles, the hearts, and, it just comes out, the butterflies. if he doesn't get out the butterflies in you, तो वो 2 हफ्ते क्या 2 दिन में पता चल
You think all girls make like like an imaginary story in their head and everything, and the guy is not up to that mark basically, लेकिन अपनी story पकाई होती है in their brain.
Definitely. And
Yeah,
if
I have
she
done
just,
that.
Yeah, she just
Yeah.
basically sees how well he fits in her story.
Yeah.
You know, like bachpan se he must have
Oh,
thought,
yes.
okay, you know, maybe you want this guy, you want this guy. So she's just trying to, you know, probably.
ये मेरा Prince
fit in.
Charming नहीं है. This is just
Yeah,
another
yeah.
frog
But-
I have to kiss in order
Yeah.
for me to reach my
Maybe
Prince
she doesn't
Charming.
even want a Prince Charming. She wants like a soldier of some this thing, some warrior. So then उसे Prince Charming मिलता है तो वो बोलती है कि क्या Prince Charming आ
अभी
गया,
मेरे
you know?
standards high हो गए हैं.
Yeah. I don't know.
Cute. We stay because leaving feels like failing, not because it's working.
Oh, I agree to an
Yeah.
extent, yeah. We stay for longer. I mean, we know the relationship is going down the drain, but we still give it more and more.
I think ये naturally सारी
Yeah.
लड़कियां ऐसे करती हैं.
Yeah.
We have like this motherly instinct
Yeah.
in us, though we want to be girlfriends, but somehow end up being having that motherly role. And once a girlfriend becomes a mother, then you lose that
Yeah.
charm. The guy loses that charm.
I don't want, I don't want to be motherly. Once you become a
Yeah.
mother, you're right. You're
Yeah.
gone, tossed it out.
And I think it's not like the girl wants to be a mother. She just puts herself, or the situation with the
Yeah.
guy makes her go in that position.
I don't really think it's the guy always ours.
No, not the guy. It's together, both of
Yeah,
them,
I
because
think-
somebody is not taking
I think
the
it's
right
a comfort
stand, right?
zone, you know. When it's
Yeah.
when in the beginning now, you want to be his girlfriend, you want to do exciting things for him, and you know do a lot of stuff together. As the relationship crosses a certain time, you get so comfortable, you start feeling like his mom. You know, like ये मत करो, वो मत करो, ऐसा नहीं है. That is, the guy does not want that. This is a red flag for girls. My sisters, please do not be a mom, because guys do not want another mom. They have one.
Yeah.
They want a wife, a girlfriend.
But they also
a
get very
sexy-
comfortable कि लड़की ये कर रही है, वो कर रही है, तो करने दो.
Yeah.
I mean, a girl should have
Yeah.
responsibilities of a girl and a
Yes,
wife, not mother.
exactly,
So
yeah.
sometimes it works both ways. It's a partnership.
Yeah, it's
you
a
know?
partnership, yeah. And you have to be his friend also.
Yeah,
लड़की को भी तो
definitely.
दोस्त बनना, you gotta be
Yeah.
friends, यार. You know, otherwise he'll start hiding things from you like he does from
हाँ.
his mom.
और अम्मा यहाँ दिल बैठ के देने वाली है. अम्मा से ही झूठ बोल रहा है. We argue arguments in the shower and still lose in real life.
Oh my god, I have done this over a million times. Please tell me somebody
practice
else also
की है.
has done this.
Yeah, definitely. पूरी practice
And,
की है
and you
मैंने.
are so on point. You're like, you know, you get all the pointers, सब निकलते हैं बराबर, and you're like, you know, wow, you know this.
और फिर अगले बंदे को देखते हैं, you just piglify over there.
And then you're just like, एक point भी याद नहीं आता है. क्या
yeah,
सोचा था?
क्या हुआ मेरे साथ?
Yeah. Sad shit.
होता है ऐसे, अक्सर होता है. We mentally break up before we do.
I
How do
agree.
you know? How do you know if a girl has lost interest in you, like as a guy?
I mean, you gotta, you know, there are signs. There are signs. You've had a mental breakdown. You've lost faith in a friendship or a relationship, but you're still dragging because everything is not so instant. Nah,
Yeah.
it takes time, right? You want to leave a house, so you have to wait for the lease to end. You want to leave a job, you have to serve the notice period.
Yeah.
You know, so you know, you still hoping.
वाह क्या example दिए
yeah.
गौरी.
Yeah, but you know in your head कि this friendship is done. This is dusted.
Yeah.
But
But
still,
लड़कियां end मौके तक they fight till the last.
I don't think so. I mean, think about a girl friendship. Has all your friends, have they fought for you till the end?
Honestly, I'll speak for myself. A person, a girl who matters for me, I will fight till the end.
Yes,
I
you
will give them a
will.
lot of
But
chances.
will she? That depends. You know what
ऐसा
I mean?
कभी हुआ नहीं मेरे
So अकेले ही
साथ.
तुम लड़ रहे हो. ऐसा हो
हाँ.
जाता है कभी-कभी कि you're
Yes,
fighting
yeah.
because you know no memories and
Yeah.
nostalgia, this, that. But the girl has
True.
left the building and she doesn't
Building,
care
yeah.
about you anymore.
Yeah.
So it takes a lot of
Usually
time.
I'm that girl leaving the
Yeah.
building, so I don't know
Yeah.
how it is on the other side. No, I'm being
I
honest.
mean, yeah.
But होता है ऐसे अक्सर.
Yeah.
And I, before leaving, I try my best, like 200% रोना, पिटना, लड़ाई करना, गुस्से से,
yeah.
प्यार से, ये कि
Once
लड़ाई
you're done,
करके
you're done,
everything.
right?
And even in friendships,
Same.
I try so hard and everything. And then in the end, I just give up. Because फिर I think that if today I'm gonna go to bed and sleep, I know that I gave my 200%.
Yeah.
So I can sleep peacefully
Fair.
now. The other person just didn't want it to work.
Thank God. But ये समझने में time लगता है and give yourself that time because
Yeah.
you will understand one day that
Yeah.
that bitch doesn't deserve
Sometimes you have to win the person, not the argument.
you. Exactly.
But people don't understand that.
And
late
sometimes the
either
person has to
side.
win you, not the
Yeah,
argument.
not the argument. Yeah, it
fair.
works both ways. True.
Yep.
Girl code is real, but it's tested often.
I completely agree.
Yeah.
I
Have you ever
would-
tested a
yeah,
girl
yes.
with the girl code?
Yeah. I mean, when a guy comes in the picture, or like, something in competence, like a competition comes in the picture, तब पता चलता है actually really does she mean well for you? Is she a well wisher? Supporting in businesses,
Yeah.
women supporting, friends supporting you in businesses.
Business.
That's when you know they're your friends.
True.
I mean, that's the least basic you can do. You
Yeah.
know?
A
I
lot of
don't-
people don't support you because
Yeah.
उनकी aesthetic feed खराब हो जाएगी.
That's such
Instagram की.
bullshit. Like posting a 15-second
Yeah.
story is
Yeah.
what is it gonna do to you? Who the fuck is even watching you?
Yeah.
Like just do it for your friend. And you will realize that someday, when one day you'll be like, oh fuck, I should have just done that, because now she's just lost that,
Yeah.
hope and friendship.
I
in me.
think people who understand this concept is the people who have
Hmm.
started something of their own. And if a person who
Exactly.
doesn't have anything of their own, चाहे वो
Yeah.
podcast हो, चाहे वो business हो, shawarma की दुकान हो, whatever it is, if they haven't started anything on their own, they don't know the struggle.
Yeah.
और उस वक्त में आपको पता चलता है कि आपके असली दोस्त कौन हैं,
Exactly.
who your friends
exactly.
truly are. Yeah.
And social media ने तो दिमाग खराब करके रखा है.
Yeah, honestly. If all friends hate him, they're probably right. ऐसा होता है.
Absolutely.
It happens a lot.
Yeah. If all, I mean, unity matters.
Yeah, I have dated a
Numbers
guy
speak.
where none of my friends liked him, but I was
did it
at
anyway.
Yeah, it ended anyways. Yeah.
No, but like you gotta listen collectively, yaar. I mean,
Yeah.
4 people cannot be lying. Confidence sometimes comes after the breakdown. That is so true. That is so,
Yeah.
so true. I mean, you need to give yourself that space, right? To heal. Immediately, you can't be confident. You need to break down.
हाँ, थोड़ा वक्त लगता है because आपका confidence, self-esteem, everything's broken after a breakup,
Yeah.
and you just feel shattered. To pick yourself up back and stand up, it takes a while.
You need to hit rock bottom,
Bottom.
to go back on top.
Yeah, true.
Yep. Girls' nights heal more than closure texts. I mean, of course. Prosecco nights, slumber
Oh, yeah.
parties.
True,
I'm-
they do actually. Girl to girl, they help
Yeah.
a lot. I think girls' night should be like महीने में 2-3 बार तो होनी
Oh,
चाहिए.
hell yeah.
Just you need your girl time.
Definitely.
And it goes same for the guys.
Yeah,
You know,
I mean,
guys
that is
need guy
closure.
time as well. Yeah. I don't
Closure क्या
understand the
होता है?
girls जो लड़के को रोकती हैं ढूंढूंगा जो guy friends. I think the guy should go out with his guy friends.
Definitely.
जाओ यार. Lose all your shit over there and then come back
and
with a
it
clean
makes
head.
you miss each other, right?
Yeah.
Distance hoga, that's when you miss each other. What are you
Yeah.
going to do, pulling him with
चिपके
you
रहो
full
साथ में
time?
ऐसे बैठे रहो.
That is not love. That
Yeah.
is not a secret to a happy relationship.
You know, I have a couple friend and I was talking to him and he goes like, I always keep my wife in front of me and I never let her sit next to me. It's because the more I look at her from far, the more I desire her. You know,
See?
agar साथ में, if you're just sticking around with each other and what are you looking at? The side
Yeah.
view or like
Or
probably
other
your
girls.
neck is tired like looking at them. But like a clear view from the front, you make me like, damn, she's mine, or damn, he's mine, he's hot, or she's hot. You know.
Yeah.
It makes you appreciate your partner more and desire
Definitely.
them more. So yeah, agree
Yeah,
with your
closure
point.
is so overrated.
Distance
Girls
makes you
can
value.
heal anything. Your girls make you see the difference between bare minimum.
Yeah.
Yeah.
that is- एक होता है bare minimum होता है और फिर आता है below minimum.
What do they make you see below minimum?
They make you see कि Arzu, whatever you are so excited about is just basic.
Basic shit.
Below
Hello.
and bare. There's like a
Value
sequence.
yourself.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, the girlfriends spoil you so much that you have higher expectations from a guy at least. I mean, what makes you different from all my other friends, or you're my guy, you know, we're in a relationship. So you got to do something out of the box
Definitely.
or out of extraordinary, what I haven't seen before, for me to be like, woo.
We calm down with friends and then pretend the issue is handled. Yeah,
ऐसा
literally.
होता है. That happens
Yeah,
a lot. You're like fighting and then you go talk to your girlies
And
and
you
then
just
you
feel
go like,
better, and then you just
"Aw."
message, you know what, now I'm in such a good mood, and you just,
Yeah.
but that, I mean, you're doing it yourself.
Yeah.
उसने कुछ किया नहीं होगा, but you're like in a good
Again,
mood.
what you said earlier, okay, distance makes you value
Makes
the
you
other
value
person.
each
Sometimes
other.
distance is good
Always.
because when you have that other person in front of you, you might not see the true value until
That's-
it's gone.
That is an important lesson.
Yes.
I agree. When we stop complaining, it's already too late.
Oh yes.
Oh yes, I believe in this so
100%.
much. Like people don't realize, you know,
Yeah.
because people take their bullshit. So some
Yeah.
people will go on and on and
Yeah.
on, complain, karna, you know, keep
Yeah.
crying, nagging, and you know, just finding the bad parts or the negative parts about a person, and that's so annoying, right?
Yeah. Especially girls, you know, they nag too much, they fight, they're annoying, irritating, all of that. But once she's done with all of that shit,
It's the guy
you
is
should be,
already
yeah, the guy is gone. Like you should be
gone,
worried
yeah.
if the day she's not complaining, she's not irritating you, she's not up your ass asking you ki kya hua, what happened, where are you, and all of that.
Exactly.
That's
Silence
it. The
is
girl's
key.
gone.
Hmm.
You can't save the relationship anymore.
Yeah, that's so done, right? Okay, we've compared him to an ex quietly.
Honestly, let's be truthful here. Even if we don't want to compare, somehow the comparison comes because the
Yeah.
comparison is coming from the experience that we previously have had.
Exactly.
And now, if you're receiving way better, so it's good comparison.
That's good comparison.
And
instantly.
if it's low, then it's bad comparison. You
Yeah.
understand?
Yeah.
But either ways, we somehow unconsciously in the back of our head, we all do that.
It also
I believe.
depends how recent a relationship is. Like if
Oh.
you've just gotten out of one and just gotten into another,
Yes.
वो आ ही जाता है mind में,
True.
and then you're either happy or
You
you're
start
like,
comparing.
we stay because the sex is good or leave because it's not.
That is true as well.
Agreed, yes, agreed.
Very
yes.
important
Very-
part of relationship.
Let's talk about sex life. It is
Yeah.
important.
Sex,
it is
sex compatibility
you
होनी
know,
चाहिए.
जितना important love है उतना ही
उतनी
important
important
sex
sex
है.
life
I mean,
है,
like
yes.
let's not just
Side पे परा कर दो.
sideline it, right?
True.
I mean, it's an attraction and it's going to keep you together for a long
Yeah.
time. It's called making love for a reason.
Yeah. Kabhi kabhi the sex is good. It ends a lot of fights as well. Yeah.
I absolutely agree.
It keeps the
Take
relationship
notes.
going and
Please
fresh.
take
Yeah.
notes. Okay, so that was like a little heart to heart, and I hope you could relate a bit. Yes, just a sisterly advice from your sisters, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna be talking about friendships over relationships all day, any
Exciting.
day. Let's go for it.
Okay. Friend breakups hurt more than romantic ones.
Oof, so truly.
Yeah.
Friends are like your home. They're your emotional support, right?
True.
It's
सारे
like-
सीक्रेट्स उनको पता होते हैं,
Yeah.
सारी बकचोदियां उनको पता होती
Yeah,
हैं.
they know you in and
सारे
out.
yeah.
They know your periods. They know your fucking mood swings, your
Yeah.
timing. They know
Potty
when you
कितने
sleep.
बजे आती है?
Yeah, कैसी आती है?
कैसी आती
They know
है?
your
Everything.
I mean, breakups hurt, but breakups with friends haunt.
Yeah, they really do. High standard girlfriends raise your bar.
Hell
Very true.
yes.
Oh,
Hell
yes.
Yeah. If you know your value and your friend knows your value,
I feel like you should have friends who have higher goals, higher standards than you,
Yeah.
so you
It's
can
gonna
go,
motivate
you
you,
can
push
raise your
you.
bar higher
Yeah.
and higher and higher and
Yeah.
higher. That's so beautiful.
yeah, that's true. You also want to hang out with like-minded people.
Yes.
So there's always like
something and someone you can learn from. Yeah,
and teach.
yeah, and teach also. Soft life versus hustle culture.
Ooh, I mean a mix of both.
Mix of both, yeah.
I don't want to hustle too much, also that you don't have time to enjoy the soft stuff.
Yeah.
But you whatever
But
you
it's,
do,
it's
do
a
it with
really
your
hard
friends.
balance, don't you think?
Yes, but if you have your friends doing the same thing, so you come home in the night and vent about it, like fucking my day was so shit, and then she's like, what happened with me, and then you just feel good,
Yeah.
So whatever you do
Somebody
it
to
together.
share with,
Yeah,
a companion.
more
That's
important.
nice.
Yes, true that.
Would you rather be chosen or respected?
Ooh,
Exciting one.
I would rather be chosen.
Respected.
I
Damn.
mean, yes, respected, yes, by my partner, but with my friends, okay, I want them to love me. Respect तो ठीक ही है.
अच्छा
I
इज्जत
mean,
ना करें लेकिन
वो
आसपास
तो
में
करेंगे.
रखें.
I mean, for friendship, I think there's other factors.
But don't you think it's hand in hand जाता है?
It does. Like,
Because if a person who
Yeah.
chooses you also
Yeah.
respects you enough,
Yeah.
even though they might have alternative motives, or even if they don't show it or say it to your face, but they still deep down respect you enough to choose you. Otherwise, they wouldn't choose you in the
that's true.
first
That's
place,
true.
right?
It does go hand in hand. Yeah.
But
if
वो
you- if
depend
you-
करता है.
But if somebody's like younger to you, like your younger sister, you might not respect her so much as she does to you.
Yeah.
But you still love her and you still want her. You still choose her.
Yeah.
So I think it goes hand
Being
in hand.
chosen is also very nice.
Yeah.
Depend करता है.
Don't worry,
truly.
I choose you and I respect you also.
Oh, same to same. Why girls who support girls glow differently?
Oh my god, because you just feel so good internally,
एक
right?
goddesses era आता है ना?
Yeah, कि you've done good for the other person also. There's no negativity, no jealousy, no competition. Me and my friend both are killing
Yeah.
it. And
I've
I'm
got
gonna
my
make sure she's
backup
killing it.
bitches, you know, who are
Yeah,
gonna
I've
beat
got
the
my
shit out of
backup.
you.
Now
Yeah.
mess with me.
True.
Yeah, I really love it.
Dating apps are exhausting. Let's talk about that.
Ooh, let's talk about that.
They are. गौरी
Yeah.
मुझे अभी बोल रही थी कुछ दिनों पहले क्या बोल रही थी गौरी?
Tinder join कर ले.
हाँ, ये रह
Why
गया है.
aren't you on Tinder? It's like the new Shaadi.com.
See, I see it differently because I was born and raised here, and then
Yeah.
people sharing screenshots, and then maybe it will go to my brother, or maybe it will go to a person
Yeah.
close friend. So it's weird.
Dubai
you
is so
know?
small, right? Everybody knows
Yeah.
everyone. Like, probably.
It's the dating life here is recycled, yeah.
Yeah.
It's in a box, but
It's-
मैंने इस्तेमाल कर लिया, you recycle it. Okay,
Yeah.
take this girl, take this
And then
guy.
it might just come back to you.
Yeah, and then recycles like a bit and then comes back at you.
Yeah.
So I don't feel the need. I would rather meet a person naturally, like in a restaurant or at someone's gathering, or I don't know,
Or
like a
through your
natural
friends.
story. Yeah, through
Yeah.
friend.
I mean, if you're
Why not?
lonely, okay, you can go on dating apps or
Yeah.
rather spend that time with your friends.
Yeah, like
And
I
meet-
know a
meet
friend.
more people through them.
मेरी एक दोस्त है, she basically was about to, she quit her job. She was going to leave Dubai and she was so sick that she has packed everything, okay? She went down to pharmacy to get medicine because she had flu. And guess what? She met her future husband right there
Oh
and
my
then, and she stayed back in
God.
Dubai. I mean, I would
That is
rather
one in a
have
million.
such a cute story to tell my
Yeah.
children rather than I met your father or your mother on
On
Tinder and
Tinder.
everything.
I
Okay,
swiped right.
don't get me wrong. I also have friends who met off Tinder, Bumble, and all these Hinge, pata nahi kaun si apps and these days and stuff. They've met and they are happily married and they have children and everything. But I personally
Don't want to be associated with that.
associated
yeah.
with it,
I don't
yeah.
want people swiping left.
I would never be on apps for that
Yeah,
reason.
so fuck the dating apps and hello friendships.
Yeah.
Always ready for you.
Isn't that what Galentine's Day about?
Exactly.
You know, your
Galentine's
girls.
is all about therapy, your friends, your girlfriends, and good vibes only.
Yeah.
Mm.
A person who has true girlfriends around them is never gonna be lonely ever.
And unhappy.
Unhappy
They're
also.
always gonna be happy, right?
There's always going to be a lot of drama,
Yeah.
gossip, dance, wine nights, PJ nights, all girly shit, and that is what we all truly need in our
That's
lives.
therapy
Yeah.
right there.
And that is why we celebrate Galentine's Day, to honor our girlies.
So, if this episode made you feel a little bit of love, we're here for you, girl.
Happy Galentine's! Pretty faces.
Petty opinions.